So here's a little secret that no one will tell you when you start your YouTube channel. Becoming successful on YouTube is not easy. At times it can be an emotional roller coaster and many people will just pack up the bags and quit. But luckily for you, you've stumbled across this video where I'm going to give you 5 fast ways you can improve your YouTube channel and take a step closer to your own personal success story. Starting with this top tip that is a deal breaker if you want to grow your YouTube channel fast. Quite simply, you need to put your viewer first. Now it may be your name up in lights and you want to be the star of the show, and that is fine, but it's important to understand why people watch you and what's in it for them. Do they come back to your channel because they can learn from you and see you as an expert, or because you entertain them and make them laugh? Or maybe they just resonate with you as a person and the values that you show. Whatever it is, if you want more likes, more subscribers, then keep creating content that gives people what they want, and not just mindless fluff that only serves yourself. It's your audience that matter most, so serve them. Now, one way to do this is to think about what pains and problems that they've got. What keeps them awake at night? For some, it could be that they want to lose weight fast, or grow on YouTube fast, or they may just want to know how to get to the next island in Animal Crossing, because I still haven't figured it out. Tip 2. Now, the very first YouTube video that you create is probably going to be garbage. In fact, the next 100 may not be that great either. And if you don't believe me, I'm going to challenge you to go and look at some of the big channels out there and sort their videos by oldest first, and just check them out. I bet those videos are nowhere near as good as the high quality productions that they're releasing today. And here's the important part. Every YouTube creator that has success has worked at their craft. They didn't knock it out the park on video number 1. They will have had loads of poor quality videos, or even other channels that they've learned the ropes with. But listen up, this bit's really important. The one thing all these channels have got in common is that they've shown a willingness and desire to improve. Now don't worry, that doesn't mean that you need to spend 50 grand on new kit or go from novice to Spielberg in a week.
We're gonna make a fortune with this place.
Nah, you just need to pick a certain aspect of content creation and improve it each time. Even a tiny 1% improvement will compound over time, which takes me to tip 3. So if you're using YouTube to try and grow a business and career, then you need to treat it like a long-term business. Where else would you expect to start a business with no money, using only your smartphone, and then get upset if you wasn't making money in 6 months' time? Look, YouTube is an amazing platform. You can create content that helps people and really makes an impact, and at the same time generates you multiple income streams. Now, I've managed to get this channel to the point where it's earning money every month, and often some pretty substantial affiliate commissions. It took me a year to monetize this channel with ads, so for that first year I was completely reliant on affiliate payments. After that though, it's turned into a passive income machine, and that can be exactly the same for you. But it rarely takes a week, a month, or even 6 months. It can take much longer. But when the time comes and you're making money from YouTube, will it have been worth it? Now, before I give you the last 2 tips, which are crucial to your YouTube success, let me tell you what this channel is about and how I can help you in the future. So if you're new here, my name is John Davis. I help content creators maximize their impact and income using proven strategies and tech. If that sounds like your cup of tea, hit the subscribe button for more. Tip 4, less is more. Unless you're a cake fan, in which case more is definitely more. But enough about cake. So guess what people don't have anymore? Patience. They don't need it. We live in a world where we can see or learn anything in a matter of seconds. So if you want to improve your YouTube channel, then don't waste time. Cut to the chase, eliminate the fluff, and tell people what they need to hear in a concise and punchy manner. That's why a lot of the videos are broken down into lists just like this one. By saying there are 5 ways, it gives a timescale that people can commit to mentally. And sure, they can crank up the speed of the video and that's fine. We just want people to stay on the video for as long as possible. So appreciate that they're busy, probably watching on their phone with a million other distractions too. So keep it to the point. I mean, go and look at some of my older videos and look at the length of those videos. What was I thinking? Tip 5, engage your viewers. Who runs this channel, reached out to me recently and asked for some feedback on how she can improve her channel. Now, between me and you, she's doing a great job. She's got a good number of subscribers, but she wants to do even better. Remember what I told you on tip 2 about how you should strive to be better? Well, the advice I gave was to speak to people's needs. Give the viewer a compelling reason to not only watch this video, but the next one too. Keep them on your channel because guess what? YouTube likes that and they'll reward you for it. YouTube wants people to binge watch video after video, frozen, unable to browse away. Just like Netflix when you can't turn it off and another episode starts one after another after another. So to do this, think about the content you create. What else would the viewer want to see? What are their pains and problems? So let's say you had a video about how to start a blog. At the end of that video, don't just say,
"Thanks for watching, see you next time."
Instead, tell your viewer what's next and make sure it's a video that would appeal to a wannabe blogger. Like, what to name your blog, where to host your blog, how to make money with blogging. Now make sure that you tell them that and lead them into the next one with a call to action. Now all 5 of those tips are going to help you grow your YouTube channel much faster and help you start earning money on YouTube, which is exactly what I'm going to cover in the next video that's on screen now. I'll see you next time.